Okay, I'm going to show you how to handle non-breaking spaces and non-breaking hyphens. We'll take a look at the work you're doing here in the chapter again. And as you type the first paragraph, you get to the end of the second line. Of course, you're letting all these lines just wrap. So, I mean, when you get out here at the end, you're just continuing to type till you get to the end of the paragraph. But what you'll see is it is broken apart the word. Move it up here a little, make it a little larger. Fall festival. This happens all the time. Don't do this on your document, but if I had something like my name and it's in a paragraph, a person's name or a building, like if I had Gillette Technology Building, something like that, you see how it breaks it apart? And if you don't want the words to be broken apart, all you have to do is move back, like after Gillette, move right after it, hit delete. It'll pull the two words back together, Gillette Technology. And I'm going to hold down the Control, the Shift, and the space bar. Just tap it one time. Hold the Control and Shift down and tap the space bar. And what you'll notice is it's pulled these words together. So if I turn on my show hide, notice it's got a little symbol here. Instead of my regular space, it looks like a little degree symbol. It's doing it, that's not anything I did, except for the Control Shift space bar. So that's called a hard space. It won't let these two things break apart. If you wanted to do the same thing here, you could take out the space, Control Shift space. Now to hold those three words together. And so anyway, not hard to do, but a lot of people just will skip right over that in the chapter. So on your document that you're working on, where you have Fall Festival, all you have to do is hit the delete, get rid of the, I'll just go back in there again. All we're doing is getting rid of this little space right here. So just delete that space out, Control Shift space, and now you can see it'll hold those together with a hard space. You can do the same thing with a hyphenated word. So let me just, right here, I want to type in 1 month, blah, blah, blah. It's a 1 month fall. Okay, so right after 1, if I need a hyphen here, I could do a Control Shift hyphen, and it'll put in a hard hyphen, and you barely can tell it's not the same as a regular hyphen, but it will hold those words together and won't let them break apart on different lines. So anyway, that's not in that little section there, but hard spaces and hyphens are non-breaking spaces. Non-breaking hyphens are easy to put in with Control Shift space or Control Shift hyphen, depending on what you need.